Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to use the murf AI text-to-speech, a beginner's guide. So let's get started. Now, have you ever wished you could make your writing sound as cool as a podcast or a YouTube video? Or do you have an idea for an online course but you don't like the sound of your own voice? This is where murf AI text-to-speech comes in. It's a super handy tool that can turn your words into awesome sounding AI voices. Whether you're a young adult just starting or a seasoned pro, Murf is easy to use and has tons of options to make your content sound exactly as you want. Imagine giving your school project a professional voiceover or narrating your school project or social media post with a voice that perfectly matches your vibe. That's what murf AI is for. So in this guide, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about murf AI text-to-speech. We're going to cover how it works, how it got started, and even some pro tips to make your voiceover sound amazing. So let's get ready to unlock the power of your voice and make your content stand out. So let's start with understanding what murf is all about. You see, not all text-to-speech tools are created equally. Some sound robotic and unnatural, while others like murf AI specialize in creating natural sounding speech. You see, murf AI has a special engine. Yes, it has a special engine that is powered by artificial intelligence, and it has been trained on tons of voices. It helps to create high quality voices that sound like real people. And also, think of it like a voice actor who can speak in any language, accent, or style you want. When you use murf AI, you get to choose from a whole library of voices. You can find natural sounding voices that are male, female, young, old, you name it. That's one of the voices. You name it. And the best part, you can even tweak the speed, the pitch, and the pronunciation to make it sound just right. So let's go to step-by-step guide on how to use murf AI text-to-speech. Let's dive into it. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up and get started. So let's sign up. It is free to start. You even have a trial period so you can test it out without committing. So let's sign up. And after that, once we are in, we're going to see dashboard where we can manage our projects. The steps are quite simple. Sign up, create any project, enter your script, choose your voice, customize your voiceover, generate and download. It's as simple as that. So while we're still signing up here, and now we are in. So signed up. The next step is to click on new project. So this is for exporting. This is upgrade to plan. So let's put a text here. Let's see. Then we click on save. Oh, sorry. Okay. You see, that's because we use Natalie. We can change the voices we can use. The voices, so you can search by voice name, you can search by language, gender, age group, style, you choose. You can try to do that for YouTube tutorial, you use the voice you want. Let's say I want to use Hannah. Saying the same thing. You see? So after choosing your voice, the next thing you can customize is the voiceover. You can decide to change the speed, the pitch, and the pronunciation if you want. But I think I'm good with this one. You can add video, image, enable subtitles. You can add video, image, adjust resolution, volume mixer. So this is where we're going to low, medium. So we can adjust stuffs here if we want. We have medium, we have high. So you're gonna have to learn a lot, but I believe we should be able to do that. Is the timeline. And let's move on. So you can also generate, after generating the voice, then you can download it. You can download the voice. So this is where we increase, this is where you change the speed. This is where we change the speed, pitch, and this is, you can add a pause if you want. But what I started to say just kind of short, so we're going to add a pause. Then this is where you get more pronunciation, but you have no pronunciation found for now. So let's listen to it again with this adjustment. Alright, now when you're through, when you're happy with how everything sounds, you can just hit the generate button. We've done that already to generate. After adjusting this, just click on this. So here you can download the audio by clicking on the three dots and click on download audio to download it. It's as simple as that. So it's murf.ai has worked its magic to create a studio quality voiceover for you in just a few seconds. Give it a listen, and if you need to make any change, you can always change it. Once it's perfect, just download the voiceover and you're ready to use it to your project. If you're feeling adventurous, murf.ai even has a voice cloning feature which allows you to record your voice and have Murf create a custom AI voice that sounds just like you. How cool is that? That is very, very cool. So this is for uploading the scripts. You can upload the scripts here and have it do it. Add media, audio to text, translation, Murf suits. Let's see what we have under Murf suits. So we have the dubbing. We have high quality voices for your apps, websites, and other services. This is the voice cloning that we talked about. So you have to register for this, and then you click on submit. Clone once, you can use it forever. Each perfect cloning, edit on the fly, optimize your content, lifelike voice clones as well as it gets human clones. Let's hear this one. Okay, we have to listen to this before we can listen to the other. Because of time, I won't be able to, go through all this, but you can go ahead and test it yourself. And let me give you some tips for creating high quality voiceovers with Murf. Now that I've gotten a basic step of it, let's make sure your voiceover sounds as awesome as possible. But the first thing is script writing is key. Even the best voice actor cannot make a bad script sound good. So take some time to write a script that is clear, engaging, and sounds natural when read out loud. Then choose the right voice. So you can use murf.ai. With so many different voices to choose from, you can find a perfect one for your project. Think about who your audience is and what kind of voice they would like to hear. Then also think about the fact you need a friendly, casual voice or something more professional and serious. So take your time and experiment with a few different options. Then don't forget to customize. Murf.ai lets you change all sorts of things to make your voice over sound just right. You can change the speed, the pitch, and even how the words are pronounced. So play around with these settings until you find the perfect combination. It's like having your own voice studio. Then add some saas to really make your voiceover pop. Try adding some music or sound effects. murf.ai has a built-in library you can use, or you can upload your audio file yourself. So don't forget to also listen online. Once you generate your voiceover, take a listen. Does it sound natural and engaging? If not, don't worry. Just go back and tweak the settings until you're happy with the results. Remember, voice generation is an art and it takes a little practice to get it just right. But with murf.ai, you don't need to be a professional to create voiceovers that sound like real human voices. So get creative and have fun. Now, what are the real world uses for murf.ai text to speech? What can you actually do with it? One, you can use it for YouTube videos to spice up your YouTube videos with studio quality voiceovers. You can use it for podcasts. You want to start a podcast but you need the right equipment to record into space, murf.ai has got you covered. You can use it for social media. Make your social media posts stand out with lifelike AI voices. You can use it for presentations. Have you ever had to give a presentation and wish you had a cool voiceover to go with your slides? murf.ai is there to help you with that. You can use it for accessibility. It can be used to make content more accessible for people with disabilities. You can use it to create audio versions of written documents or add voiceovers to websites and apps. This can help make a huge difference for people who have trouble reading or seeing. You can also use it for the best purpose ever, which is for fun, just for fun. Even if you don't have a specific project in mind, murf AI is just plain fun to use. You can try different voices, experiment with sound effects, and create silly voiceovers just for laughs. Who knows, you might even discover your hidden talent for voice acting. So you see, murf AI isn't just another speech tool. It's a powerful way to unleash your creativity and make your content more engaging and accessible. So please go ahead and experiment. You might be shocked at what you create. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks.